Making over 7 figures online sounds impossible to attain, but that's how I feel about families who move to a different country, don't speak the language with the hope to start a better future, like my abuela. My grandma is the original entrepreneur in my family. She grew up in a small Mexican village called Tamazulita. Her husband tragically was murdered when my dad was around 5 years old. After the tragedy, she had to figure out ways to literally put food on the table, so she got creative. She would forage for wild tomatoes and plants and then offer to cook people food in their homes as a way to make money. She even started going around the village and flipping small items such as clothing. But she wanted more than just getting by. Her vision was to make enough money to move the entire family to the USA. My grandma never made 6 figures, but she did accomplish her dreams. When my dad came to the USA, he was around 13 years old. He didn't speak any English. Both my parents started from nothing, and through hard work and discipline, they helped give me a childhood that they could only have dreamed of. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here today. I created the Brambila Method to honor my grandma and my family's sacrifices and preserve the one-of-a-kind mindset that you can drastically change your life circumstances through hard work and discipline. The Brambila Method is a belief set that you can risk nothing and earn everything. The old saying, "You need money to make money," has been proven wrong by thousands of members of the Brambila Method. You don't need money to make money. You just need the right strategies. And in the Brambila Method, you'll learn several. Through online strategies you're taught here, you'll learn how to make money from scratch. All you need is the willingness to learn and the discipline to try. Everything you need is right here in this masterclass. As my grandma would say, vamos.